NovoEd is the AI-powered talent development platform that turns training into tangible business outcomes. When operational overload is stealing focus from your L&D team, NovoEd brings everything together in one place with Learn Plus, Practice Plus, and Mentor Plus, all powered by the safe and secure NovoAI. Simply hosting content isn't the same as developing people. So Learn Plus blends guided development journeys with cohort learning, hands-on practice, and continuous feedback to support the growth that your teams need. Skills don't stick without space to practice. And in Practice Plus, your teams are immersed in scenario-based learning, giving them and their peers a safe place to turn knowledge into experience. Valuable employee know-how can get stuck in silos across organizations. So Mentor Plus matches the right people together quickly and tracks their progress so one-on-one development can flourish. Manual work is costing you momentum and the ability to scale. NovoAI helps to localize experience, generate courses, and manage effective feedback so your teams can deliver high-impact learning with low-impact admin. Business transformation starts with people, and people perform better on NovoEd. Reach out today for a demo and see how NovoEd can change your business.